Alright, so you don't know. Remember, please subscribe right now if you haven't subscribed, because we realize that a lot of people are watching the channel but they're not subscribing, because based upon the analytics it tells us that you're watching the video but you're not subscribed. So subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make sure you share up the video and all of the right thing them. Alright?
It's a small world, careful what you're doing it. It's a small world, we the people ruin it. It's a small world, just want a piece of it. It's a small world, bad mind is the piece of it. Born Jamaican, hungry man, people want the money where me go get it from. There I try us up on the sun, she want AC but me have fun. Whatever action is a reaction, and sometimes no satisfaction. Champion in action, Jamaican dreaming of the axeman. Careful what you do and say, vanity will fade away. I hear another mother cry today, gunplay, another life got taken away. Oh, I'm so sorry, she lose her mind after taking the Mali. It's a small world, for what you're doing it. It's a small world, we the people ruin it. It's a small world, just want a piece of it. It's a small world, bad mind is the piece of it. Now get this in the head, too much people dead. Better up on the roadside, selling fish and bread instead of paying. Uncle Jaffe another day, time look bleaky. Good morning. No run, man.
I know, sir, give me a contract.
But what now?
Your rent.
You know, sir, at the rate in I rent business, make me not pay rent yet.
2 months now.
I know that, you know. Me tell you, me now go the rate I rent on now, go on with it now.
Me say, at 2 months now. And if you can't give me money, you come out of my place.
It was 25,000 first. And now I tell me say 35.
You know, since everything raised.
And me make things raise?
That not nothing to do with me.
So same way the addition we put on me now pay none until you carry it back down and strike me strike. You know?
If you not get me money, give me, you'll come out of here.
You know what? I don't want you to spoil my man, you know. Me have to go to work and me have to concentrate on the people them where swim so they don't lose their life. So you what? Let's go to here.
I want to the Rasta boy.
What you say? Dead or alive? What's about the mission?
Dead or alive? What you say?
Dead. Body me a carry.
Anything we you say them, you know.
Me not like man. I kill man and beat man and do man things, you know.
Anything we you say, man.
Me a kill you and carry you.
Alright, we carrying the ball then. I say alright.
Hello?
Babe, good morning. I miss you so much. You can't come look for me? I need you right now.
No, me can't make me know. Man now can make it. 3 weeks before me come down the baby. Just wash it and put it on.
What do you mean 3 weeks? 3 weeks too long. You need to come now.
Babes, me on a mission, babes. Therefore, one man we kill you, man, and me have to complete the mission before me come down. Just easy, man. When me come down, man, me carry out for you, treat you, and you know.
You know what? Everything good. I gotta just go up and my sister go look for me now because I can't mother right now.
Alright, babes.
Alright, do your thing.
Alright, love you. Boy, me have one woman there, boy, me I tell you.
Can you step back and pass?
Why you not jump off in my pass? I see me first. Look, me them more across the bridge than you.
Put up on the bridge before, yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Anyways, good morning. How's your morning?
Do I know you?
I don't know you. You don't know me either.
No, your face looks familiar. You from around here?
I got an apartment recently.
Oh, that means you're somebody new then. But in that case, I think I would like to get to know you though. And I'm a lifeguard, so I'm certified to guard your life, not only in the seawater, but Rona, so it can be a place like that. You see them goalie and them trench, I'm ever show you diaper to get through them, so
Okay.
I'll be like a bodyguard.
Right. Well, most of the times I'm alone at the house, so you could come see me sometime. Or where do you work? I could come see you.
Oh, I'm a lifeguard. You can see I work at the beach park. For this week, next week I'll be at Bloody Bay, Long Bay. One of the beach, we forget what.
Oh, I could come look for you down at your workplace later in the... What time you leave work?
This is the first a girl ever be so forward with me and just talk straight. You know what I mean? Because most of the girl I'm going corner. Anywhere I come from is a good place. What's your name though? I never get your name.
My name is Kayla.
Taylor. Well, you can call me Fire.
Nice to meet you, Fire.
Are you playing with me or not?
No, I'm not play with you, man.
Alright, I'll give me a number. Come I want to take your number, you know?
Alright, give me a number. I'm going to call you later when I come up with
Alright. 825 19
Yeah.
46.
You say your name Fire?
Fire.
Alright, Fire.
So call me no more up on the beach and wait for your call.
Alright then.
So where do you rent this apartment down here?
Oh, it's somewhere in Whitehall. I'll take you there later.
Don't play with me now. I'll look to see you later.
May I link you, man? You will see.
Alright?
Yeah, man, later.
Come on.
I want to say Lydia come on here.
You know, say today she did to come, but she said she's busy and she have somebody else here though. So when she get the time, she will let me know.
Once you forward, man, come here, we'll want to do, you know.
Go on, the future.
I saw boy them walking up. Hello.
My big brother,
Yeah, what want to you? What make your son so?
me say me have a rasta man in my place, you know. And the boy box me up, you know, because guess what?
What? What you say?
Me not ask him for me right money, the boy don't want me for right money. Why you can't leave me right now, you know?
Alright sis. Me a come right now. But me now reach on there till night. And where St. Thomas me a come from?
She want no star. You're the too far, you know. Anyway, me wait till I come, man.
Alright.
Don't search it. I want to.
Don't worry, the boy just with my sister.
What I say?
Yo, here what? Go and scope out the place. No engaging. Here what? Me I check up on my sister and road here. You hear?
Just road.
No engaging.
Okay. Let's go.
Mommy, Uncle Barry.
I don't like your Uncle Barry thing, you know. Just say Barry. Me a young man, me no old.
$1,000 me a big figure shop.
Hold on, I'm soon come.
Barry, I hope I no gun argument and gun thing you'll end up in, you know. And you say the politician have grown in a community and a give out barrel of gun, you know. A big container me say come. So I hope you're not involved in a no gun problem. Alright, cause gun problem a dangerous problem.
Alright, babes. Listen, man. I'm not dirty politician link me, but he link me because we want some upliftment in our community, and he say, me are the right man. Because you don't know you then look up to me. So you don't have to worry about that. I'm not involved in anything there. Me have up on the road, but anything later.
Alright.
Alright, yeah,
Take care.
yeah, man.
I wonder how would coffee master that boy. You see all your boy, I can tell you something. Let me tell you something. Don't kill a whole heap of time your boy them. 1.5 years now since, you know. Me and my baby mother not talking. So me don't know how comes you come to come tell me say me kill my baby mother, you know. So you want me now? Me I go take a run, you know. Me and you go and make a deal. It's the same like how you can't find my baby mother body. I want you tell them say you shoot me. And you can't find my body. You hear me I tell you? Because me's an innocent man. Consider yourself very lucky. You're a murderer, you know. Remember, I can be. Yeah.
Why you look so lost?
You know, say me go shop a while ago and $1,000 drop out when me reach a shop, me could buy what me want.
$1,000? And I hit you really I walk and look for $1,000 simple thing. I like you still, you know, yeah? You're beautiful.
I must see me $1,000 this Popeye.
Well, let me show you something. Hit me this, sir. You know his serial number?
What you talk about?
You see Jared Fanny? You can talk about if you want money, come over me yard, you will get it.
Popeye, you look me, you look me mother, everything with frock you want. And different that, you know, see me have me man. You know, see car with me man drive. Me don't want no walk foot man.
Hello, you talk about your car, man. Yeah, baby love, you have to creep before you walk. A plane, my own drive. First of all, let me teach you something. You see car, man, every single day they have a different girl in the car. I saw them a transport girl. So, what you talk about?
He loyal to me. Plus, he grew up in a good home. His parents are a pastor. Make me stay with my man. He love me and me love him too. What more me want? Me don't want you, Popeye.
Pastor? His parents have a pastor. I feed them picnic the body set up picnic them on the earth. Me I tell you that.
Kira, wake up, man. You know, wake from morning.
Me tired, man.
I know you're still asleep. Anyway, may I go on your scene? You know me have to go work. So little more.
Alright, later.
Alright then. Yeah, man.
My man a one burner.
One burner? You know how much food one burner cook? You talk about one burner.
Stop!
Mommy.
Come in here, man.
I candy.
Go on about your business. Don't call me. Me go up on the beach now, go hustle. You know me have to work.
Yeah.
So later, go in the kitchen, go look on the pot. Before it burn up, me soon come. Later.
Yes, mommy. Be careful on the road.
Alright, baby. Thank you.
Candy.
What's your problem?
Wow, wow. You're beautiful. What happened?
Where you touch me for? You see you? You know say I idiot? Barry a bad man. Suppose I make him come see you touch me in my ear. You not no sense. If you know when me know you come go on in your yard.
No, you talk about Barry. Remember say me know you before Barry. And no matter of fact, me we dead for you. Me love you.
Dead for who?
Of course, he could have even with a grenade, but I catch you for you. You know?
Papa, your mouth too sweet.
Mm-hmm.
You think me no know say I look all of me daughter them?
Serious.
What do you mean take it serious? You don't take it serious?
We can't continue to do this all the while in a car. Yeah, at least can carry me go one hotel or get an apartment. We can do a little thing and you know.
Me have an apartment, man. Babe, guess what I want now? Me have plans for you, you know. But it's a base pan. Every time I come check you, me have to spend money, you know, and put in your pocket. Better put the money in your pocket. And which part of money there for me right now is like, me can't really maintain everything right now because things kind of tough. But me can't come here and get no money. You understand me I say?
Yeah, me
So
understand.
instead of you go spend money on hotel and all these things, better me just give some and save some. Because me have big plans for you, you know.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, babe, me understand. But at least next time, let's go out in the nature. You know, go riverside. That nice too, you know? You know, nice little view and the nice cool water. Yeah. And you know you can make
Hold on.
Babe. Nothing, alright?
Yeah, man, me alright, man. Me there cool out.
Where you there?
Under one big tree. Just a cool out in the country.
Mommy that prepare something. Want me leave some for you?
What you gonna cook?
Just have some cook food. So stew chicken.
Ah. Yeah, man, so. Hold on, babe. Give me a minute. Yeah?
Get a room, man. What kind of style that?
Babe. Me call back, yeah? One. Me call back. What do you mean get a room? What you talking about?
But I'm my little cousin that you know, big man.
Try that on, man.
You see all the girl, you're my cousin, but me no rate your style. If you do better than that.
Madman, stop watch your cousin.
Hey.
A bad man?
No.
So me can turn back.
Come out, I can.
Well,
Your cousin for you?
yes, and I try my talk sometime I can go to hotel. But no mind him, I say him stay. I say him watch all life family member them. He just have your eye on them so.
You still have stick me about the hotel thing. Me talk to you about it already.
But we must say it true.
Yo, mama.
Yes.
Wow, what do you know?
So you come from? Where come to me for now?
You know, say your son take away boss money.
My son take your
Yeah.
money.
And why you know, say we have him on the ends, you know, we are going to shell him, you know.
So that's how when my son take your boss money.
Your son a thief.
You can't prove some my son a thief.
You a mama.
You did it when you take the
You
money?
a mama.
Yeah.
We know you're long talking with you because we see say you're
Look
tough.
here, man. Look here.
You
You attack me have a right to talk to defend my son. You did see when
You're
he
not
take the money.
defending this thing.
You see when he take it?
Oh, you move so high. You look like you want to get shelled too, you know. Hear me, bad man. Call him Sunday.
That me go there, you know.
Well, call him.
Make him know what I go on. If I bad him bad, so I want to know, you know.
I say if I bad, you really bad. So,
Not
yeah.
bad, me bad.
Alright, yo, talk to your mother, here. Hold this up.
Hello? Yes? Where are you?
Yo, take a phone from the woman
said
there.
if you don't get back your money, them are
Bad man, take your phone here, man. That's enough.
Wait,
give me the phone.
let me talk to my son. Let me
What
talk
can I talk to your son? Me just come and talk to you.
Bad man, take your phone from the woman, man.
Give me the phone in the ear.
Let me go.
Yo, boy, you say now when I get my money. I'm telling you.
What, mama?
Me go get the money and go. Right? Just give me 24 hours and me go with the money.
24 hours?
Yes.
You get 23.
24 hours.
You see, one if you make it 4,
Yeah.
a bullet in our head if you don't get the money.
So, you don't have your go on, sir? You don't have your go
Your
on,
son
sir?
better bring back your money.
We said the next 24 hours you don't get to no
You know,
money.
you say at 23 you not get.
Well, at 24.
Alright, make it 24. Better reach on the 23.
No, go. Because you don't think so you don't have the upper hand. You don't think you don't have the upper hand.
I have no police involved.
Do what you want, do.
Okay, man.
Yes, mommy.
My daughter, you have no money for you?
No, you know, say me not have no money.
You know, say me in a little problem and me want some money. You don't know if you could have helped me out, you know. Yeah, man. Yes, no care how small it is.
Me also have something I go on an idea, yeah.
Okay then, all right. Thank you very much.
Where you go?
Yeah, but no, say I me get door. Say them a look one bartender over so me a go and start out the interview. So yeah, the exercise. By the way, you know say one here want do. So just can't go doing here.
Out of all of the work, them have to go look one bar work. You couldn't say I go down a hotel, go try look one work down there.
But baby no say hotel ain't not take on nobody right now. Look how much application I sent me letter off and nobody no call me. So me have to just go and occupy my time.
Alright, do you have to do? Because I saw go and work out. But be careful, on the road. It come like a girl, me I go.
Oh, I remember. One here for do. Don't forget. So
Alright.
come here.
Yeah, man. Look come on.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
You may feel say something come by, but no, sir. I know that right now, you know. Because I have some fun for our studio, because you understand?
Okay.
And let out music, the system here. You understand? Alright. Me go for the cheddar for the 22, man. I go for the cheddar for the 22, man. I tell no life in a 20 view, man. Man, I touch couple girl for the 22, man. I touch couple girl.
Alright, well this year.
Alright, well.
Alright, take care.
Yo! You don't know so me I do a tune and you give me a money though. You want to hear me tune?
What kind of music?
Me have a money tune.
See, you know, come on, some money, you know.
Alright. Me I go for the cheddar for the 22, man. I go for the cheddar for the 22, man. I tell no life in a 20 view, man. Man, I touch couple girl for the 22. Man, I touch couple girl for the 22. Man, I touch couple girl for the 22. Man, I touch couple girl. Man, I do it for the better for the 22. Man, I do it for the better for the 22. Man, I do it for the better for the 22. Man, I do it. Hey, yeah, say about me tune.
So why sing a song 22?
You remember say, at the year me I sing about. You see about 2016 we in a target at 2016 sound. You understand?
Well, I can't tell you the truth, you know.
Yeah.
Me go get the money, but you see the song, don't continue with the 22 too long for me. Don't too boring. Cause right now me almost sleep, you know. You see studio money there.
Alright, before.
So hold on, me hear next tune, but me don't want to hear nothing with 22.
Alright.
Me get another one.
Alright. Me out for the cash them. Me not tell no life, no cash them. Me not tell no life, no cash them. So me a cash me goods and go through the gate. Cause me want the thing them very quickly. You don't know the thing them still.
You see, I lost money me again, but you hear me tell you, sir. You see, find a better song. Can you see that song that me tell you the truth? If me go to stage show, me go studio, but find a better song. When I go to studio, harmonize the song properly. Alright.
Alright, bro.
Shelly, do that boy a head for me, because he mother gonna look work. Squan, listen to me. Sit down, make sure they're here. Yeah. Yes. The man burn him up in the sun, but be in there for me, he mother gonna look work here. Sit down, man, let it soak up.
Beach part dirty door. So I go on. So not comfortable at all. Yeah, I go on with it. Stay put on weight, girl. Yeah. Sorry, me take so long, man. To me, I try to meds. What if you tell everyone to say if you come out of the house? Me, if you tell say I walk, me gonna look girl and me get called.
And that's your life gone to know?
Why I say going on? And I say walk take you over, and man take me up, put me where you not people can see me and me can see you.
Me I say man, and I want to day after me get to them, I say me wanna make the go.
I'm not wrong, yeah. So yeah, over that place you go and over your workplace. You must get enough tip or supervisor and all these things you're supposed to turn.
Supervisor? Girl that you don't even know.
What you say?
Front desk work, I only if you put on pretty clothes, I look nice.
Really?
The clothes I wear, me have to wear one badge on top of my name badge. No tips needed, I'm always good.
Are you wear that? That means you're good?
Good? Me far from good, girl. They say hard work is the key to success. I'm gonna go there and do hard work. Think me would be successful. A slave work that. What day you know so me get 300 US from a white man and I fi give him back? You know all that bun me? That bun every string in a me.
I can't believe what you just said to me. Are you not at least try to tuck it somewhere or hide it somewhere?
Hide it somewhere? You want a camera the east, camera the west. If me talk it so then see. If me talk it so then see. Me can't hide it nowhere. So what about you? From your breed, me always see I walk along field in the yard there.
Me? Well girl, my man sit down up there expect me if you go look work on my name. Tell us something. Yes, before me breed, that boy they promised me world. When I go make me alright, me not go short and nothing. Now he just come like him forget everything. But me not say nothing to him. Look for me good. Me say me a dolly. When I talk about dolly, me a the real definition of dolly. Me not go work for no chicken chain. Jamaica can't pay me. Me have Soling Safari and just wait till that job. Me not say 40. Anyway, me could go swim. I want to go swim. Alright, now me
We not go too far, you know. Blast it, Pina come to test me nerve today. Evelyn, no one do. Plan to swim now?
We go take a quick swim.
Half due, but soon come half duty, you know, me about one next 30 minutes. So after them time, I not get paid, but when you look good, so me stay and watch, you know, you can swim.
No.
But here what? You don't cross nowhere past on the neighbor. Right? Because I can't swim neither. But me there feel guard on no life, so you no go too far. Because me can't save you no. So but me just gonna advise you no cross or so. You no play no game, you no go so. You no play game, come back on the sand. Before you do on the sand and play. And just dip on your foot in the water, alright?
Okay.
No go far because me can't swim.
So when you there, Sado?
I'm the lifeguard.
So how you a lifeguard? You can't
And you can't swim.
Here one now. I'm a lifeguard. So me advise you know how to save on the life. Me a guard you know. So if you no go anywhere pass down upon own risk. I'm so glad me on me off duty anytime I take a sign and turn around because but me word of mouth me a stay to save can't advise you no more but half an hour for now me gone still. So go and do what I do.
Yeah, we are gonna just ask if you keep them here for your Rasta, please.
Alright, no sorry but let me say half an hour.
And the expensive phone here, just keep it safe for me, please.
I go put my number on it.
Nothing wrong. You're cute though.
Alright, your money. Man, remember I'm telling you, I'm telling you, what on man? Don't pass in the neighbor, don't catch up so far. I can't swim, I'm now come out the phone, I'm out of the side this evening now. Come up further, yes, sir. Yeah, man, let's see it, does so. Not go no further out there, sir, man. You're not inch, you know, take a mile. Candy! Go on. Come in, young hands. I'm gonna act like up on a beach, you know. Look like I make a piece of money today, girl. I said the one go a while ago, you know. You see, you know?
Yeah, man, you good?
Yeah, you wanna use them now?
No, so I don't make no portion of money today. I just a little bit of, you know, and nothing. Little change. Thing,
yeah, lucky piece of girl, you know. Remember say, you know, are you make money on a beach and make the beach look active, you know. When you take the beach, you flash your lock, so everything I have sell off.
The beach slow, you know. But me still have to try, you understand? But you see one of my daughter, yeah. My daughter this, you know? No. You're wet. You're wet. You can't wet me up. My clothes dry and feel wet. You know, say we get enough hug up from me, man. But you don't have to wet me up, you know. You understand? But space and fly up on the beach.
How's your daughter? The first one or the last one?
This time I wash belly. I last one.
Nice to official meet your girl. But you can't good pity come, man. Nice girl. You can't good pity come here. Big up yourself, my friend.
Yes, of course.
I want to know. Come and see her and sit and pass and not to know. So it's a small living now, you know.
Yeah, man. When womb blessed. You know, so she nice.
Yeah, man. She look good for real. Yo, yeah, my phone already.
All right. Don't say a word. My daughter.
Oui.
Me think you work today.
No, sir, I don't work today. Today I'm a day off.
Okay. You know, sir, me never remember say today your day off. And you know friend the other day me want to talk to you?
But what now, miss?
Me see your son they run up and down on the road. No baby that. You and your father we got prison, you know? Why don't you send him go give government if you don't know if you take care of pitney? Me not understand, you know. Them are young people, you know, just go have pitney so and let them go like a Lego beast on the road. Car they pass, bicycle, truck, man. You don't know say we got prison?
But Miss Candy, when I know a normal little boy, no? You know normal, none at all. Say we all you pretty things down and say this and that. You don't know half of what happened.
That's why you and his father fi keep on your eye upon him. It's especially you as the mother, the father gone all about. Eh? And you the home and you don't know see your pitney gone on the road. You are telling me say that the baby they not normal. You and his father are two careless parents. Uno no forget no picnic. I want to know young people.
Here, right now, me ready. Me go go. Right now, your mother pass our place. Me see you. Me call you here.
Mummy, you chat too much. You love take up people business for your Eddie, or she and her baby father and baby business become yours. Me tell us you have to love people business alone.
Little girl are caring with me.
Mummy, I have to box me and me a big woman. Don't box me, man.
Oh, yo. What not there, sir?
What you feel like? You feel say you're a big woman? Eh?
Yo.
Wait.
No manners. You feel say you're a woman? I will put you out, little girl. Not pass the place with me. Wait till I hold you. You're out hard and know what.
Come.
It's a little girl here.
Are your daughter, you know? Are you wash belly?
I'm a daughter about them for your manners. If you even 100-year-old in for your manners, you can't disrespect your mother like that.
When I go home, when I sit down and talk about it. See later, when I go home, your mother talk about it. When I talk about it, when I go home. You see your friend ready there? Yo, see your friend I wait for you there now. Go on with your friend. So you say I go on with him. Lord, that man.
The little girl too rude.
How's up in the stay, man?
Pitney, a big woman.
No worry about that. Take her
From
back.
then start take man, them a big woman.
Go back.
Message for the world.
Jamaican City.
It's a message
Chopstar. Richard Brown Films.
This is a message
Curious King.
for the world.
Public Report.
It's a small world. Careful what you're doing it. It's a small world. We the people ruin it. It's a small world. Just want a piece of it. It's a small world. But mine is the piece of it.
Pan Jamaican, hungry man. People want the money where me go get it from. There I try hustle on the sun. She want AC but me have fun. What if the action is a reaction? And sometimes no satisfaction. Champion in action. Jamaican dreaming of the axeman.
Careful what you do and say. Vanity will fade away. I hear another mother cry today. Gunplay, another life got taken away. Oh, I'm so sorry. She lose her mind after taking the Molly. It's a small world. Careful what you doing it. It's a small world.
Need some serve. How you doing, ma'am?
Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
So far, so good, you know.
What can I do for you today?
You know, sir, some fruits more bring home for, you know, for wifey. You know what I mean? Something I don't know if you have no cane. You have cane? Start me out. Set me up on some stuff. Alright. Yeah, man, the bag they look decent.
My brother cane.
Melon? Yeah, man, just set me up. Sure, yeah. Alright. How much for them something here?
1,000 good, man.
1,000?
Yeah, man. Alright, respect.
Next time I say I can't carry one extra, you can get an extra out of here, but that 1,000 I walk with.
Alright.
Respect, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Is a piece of it. Yeah. Paradise, oh paradise, oh paradise, oh paradise, oh paradise. Sweet love. Careful what you're doing it.
From when me a wait for you, or you just a reach?
Babe, a far country there, you know. A long me a drive in the traffic and on the bad road and all these things. And see me get some fruits for you.
But B, them a fruits and look like a pick up in them a country, you know, look like a roadside they buy them from.
Yeah, because guess what now? It's up a country, a be lazy people in a country, you know, no farming now go on. A fast life then like, so I have to get them fruits off of the street from country.
Well, me appreciate it still. I'm just glad you're there again.
Oh, God, me too, babe.
That perfume smell new, though.
Yeah, my auntie up a country, me get the perfume from. Auntie coming up, so wait till me go to country.
Come in, I wonder why you go to country so regular. But if your auntie just come, and you go before, I want my country so.
Babe, I have to take care of the land up there, you know. I have to survey the place and make sure everything alright. So I have to check in now and then to make sure up there alright.
So like you finally reach now and the wait is over. But me, I ain't about here, you know, so just we go inside and go start up a thing.
Yeah, we can do it, but guess what now? Journey from country, try it driving just tiresome. So just give me about 5 minutes, just nap off, you know, the little tired vibes, and then we can do what we do. Nobody give me a face them now.
Alright, take a quick nap. Cause you know what we want tonight, so not.
I go drop a tune and give me a cash, you see it? Come on, guys. Studio, go drop a tune. You understand?
You like me dancing?
Me could you where you go. Alright. Yo, me I go for the cheddar, for the 22, man I go for the cheddar, for the 22, man I tell no life in no 20 view, man I touch couple girl for the 22, man I touch couple girl for the 22, man I touch couple girl for the 22, man I touch...
What kind of song this?
My girl, look how you lumpy, you fat and jumpy. Right now, show me have a conky, can conky in your phone. You fat and lumpy. Babe, oh yeah, a little joke about that road, man. A little joke.
Stay there, go and laugh, man. Shop lock tonight.
Let me shop. Hey, boy. Keep me brownie name out of your mouth. You see, I'm getting in my mouth. That me I tell you, keep me, hey boy.
Where you go?
I'm leaving.
Go where?
Me I move out, cause mommy box me.
Where mommy a box you for?
Imagine, me and my friend up on the beach, and mommy disrespect her. And me I try to show mommy and I say, mommy, that wrong, you shouldn't do that. And that me simple say to her, you know, and mommy box me, you know, in front of crowd and in front of people, you know. I'm a box her back.
No. You know mommy stay. You should never box her back. Me and you know mommy stay. She have anger problem. We could have go aside, you know, and take on the time deal with it. Remember say the Bible say, honor your mother and your father, so your days shall be long, Kira.
Tav, now the same Bible they say, don't provoke your kids to wrath.
Listen to me. Me your bigger sister. And if you pull any bag, me and mommy and you just justify this. And enough time there here, so you know, I'm want to leave, you know. I'm still there up to this day. So we need to fix this. So put on your bag and come.
Yanni.
Where your friend, me suffer? How are?
The eye see you from what day and the eye just a study how you upgrade, you see me? And you me like, in that area, come here you're on the same level. You move from board house, you build a concrete house. We have a concrete house.
Me ain't up on the same level at all. Me and you could never be on the same level. Back up. And me you want all us come tumble down pan. You not live with your big girl over there so big and strong. So you want she come in argument with me so me take her man? Papa, you should have known better. If me did want you, would get you before she. Go on over your yard.
No man, not say that man. You can't even say that. The young girl over there can't cook. Between me and you, I pay fast food. A fast food, big him up so. He come then thin like a me and him big. Pay $5,000 food, $4,000 food. We can't manage it. All man like couldn't be like. Can't look here and cook. Need no dumpling up on your fingernail. Natural man.
Let go from my finger. Take your filthy and off of me. Who you call all? You know what? Come go on your yard. And if you hear nobody, they ask to rent house. Me have the old house that's how me used to live in and me a rent out it. Tell them to come check me, but you no come back. Me not no time for you.
Alright, later. Yeah, love you. Look.
See, mommy, I come. Mommy, come. Here, I have something to talk to you about. Remember, be on your best behavior.
Alright. Me were big woman and say now. I look like I am my mother. What you say now, my mother? She come on the beach to beat me off today.
Mommy, just calm down and nobody with it. Kira, explain yourself.
Mommy, sorry, feeling your back, but with work and with everything where I go on around me in my workplace and so, it has stressed me out and I take out it on you and that was wrong. I don't know if you can find it in your heart. Forgive me.
Me forgive you. But on one condition, you need to respect me and try not make it happen again. You see when me dey on the beach at daytime I hustle, me go through a lot of things. Whole heap of stress, frustration, problem. And me take it, me no carry home, come put it on uno. Police, everybody dey on the beach. You understand they do their work. And me under pressure. Me try to keep it to myself. Me no put me on pound and take you out pound. Me forgive you still. But you, out of all, Kira, you is the last person me I look for see put their hand for me. You understand? Me I beg you not do it again, cause that not look good none at all. You understand? Mother and daughter, they fight. Me no in that with you again. It's not going to like it. And you see your
Mommy, me sorry.
As simple as that.
No, Papa advice that. I wonder what you want now. Me coming! What you want?
You know, hear what happened?
What happened?
Between me and you know, say me no fast in people business, but you must go see it. They lock up your man.
What you say?
Me say then catch Barry with gun. Me never know say you have gun man and look at me over this. I strive with the little $9 a week. I you know why me a gun man you want. Why?
Papa, I lie you tell her a truth at all.
You ever see me I tell lie? As a dad, me say up on the news, me I see it when they go buy the food for me woman. As me tell her, she no love cook. I so call me see it on the TV.
Thank you for telling me. Me I go down a station go see if me can bail him.
No way?
Down a station.
You think I want gun then get him with? I want a whole barrel. Want a whole barrel, he now come back. No make sense, you go down there.
Thank you for telling me. Me I go in, me know what to do. Don't worry yourself. Thanks, later.
Alright, Candy, your man carry a barrel of gun, but me I carry a barrel of love for you. Me soon come back. Wow.
Sis! You don't know me voice, I'm a big brother, man.
Are you, sir?
Yeah.
Lord Jesus Christ, my brother, you come. Jesus Christ.
What boy will you kill it?
You must have run out back, you know. Look at my face, man. Look at the boy in my face.
Why him there?
He must have run out back.
Come show me party in there. Yo, Rasta boy. Yo, sis, you look like you know the day, you know. Hear what? First thing in the morning, me don't want you to say nothing to me. Me don't want you to say nothing to me now. Look on your face. Look on your face. You feel like a boy can lift his sister and get away with it? Come on.
I'm still a wonder, you know. Why somebody so beautiful like you single? I don't understand. I yell on myself.
Alright, I'm going to tell you the truth. I have a boyfriend, but he put him work over me. My heart will see man thing. My soldier, so I'm hardly there. I'm just not really there.
So I yell on there.
So you can call this on single.
Where am I going for?
Yeah. But you know, for fret, you know, I'm a soldier in their camp. I'm not come back to the next 3 weeks or so.
You sure?
Yeah, for sure. I'm already there.
Yeah, take seriously the joke.
I tell you, see, you know, for work days, we have a, you're alright, come. Yes.
No, what?
But me not expect nobody. Who that?
Sammy!
Sammy, me need to come in, babes. Oh, me a come, hold on, hold on. Oh, babes, oh my God, I've been thinking about you so much. I miss you so much. Oh my God, this man, I said you better come till 3 weeks.
Babes, you know say my little sister call me and tell me say one Rasta boy, boxer. Me say wait.
Oh, so me call you this morning for some service and you could come, but your sister call you, say boy, everything good, man, everything good.
And my little sister that. Nobody not supposed to lick her. Now disrespect her.
Alright then, so since I don't deal with that, come service me now, no?
Right now, me hold a shower. And me can't feel good until me mash up the boy there.
You know what? One year thing. Everything good. Everything good. No worry, sir.
Babes, where shower gel?
Babes, you know say that gel that did finish, I never buy back none.
Alright, here one. I go to some smoke and cigarette and calm down in there. Nothing about that, babes. You don't feel so good.
You have to go sleep on that bed till a man, you know, because if not go nowhere and you know the place secure already. You see me? So just have to
I'm going to come and say one week in a 1 week. Can't do that, man.
Sorry, you just have to go on with it, man. You see, never expect this.
Mills. Here one. And this me come down fine. And the boy box me sister me come down for mash up. As they break, I mash him up and I have to go back up because I left for me squad.
I understand, just do what you have to do, see me? Just take care of your business. Anything you have to do, do it.
Babes, just easy, man. Me choke out there. I'm alone up there right now, fight the battle right now. So as they break, me have to just do the one thing when I come around and just move again.
I understand what you have to do.
Yes, I love you, you know. Come down, me carry out.
Blessed love. My name is Nicoy Cunningham, aka Not Righteous. I was born in a small district by the name of Raymonds in Clarendon, Jamaica. I'm an upcoming reggae artist. I really love my roots. I really love my culture. I believe in positivity. I believe in upliftment. I believe in educating the youth them. Hence my music stand for that. I started doing music professionally about 2008, where I started recording with a brother by the name of Paul Francis. Now we call him Sly down here in Westmoreland. By voicing for Sly, the message started to get out and we started working with other producers. I have worked with producers by the name of Kirk Bennett from Kirkle Dove Records, former Berrysaman drummer, and the dub plate rhythm, which consists of Mr. Vegas, Assassin, Anthony B, and a whole host of other artists. From there we move on and work with other producers such as Tim Dub from Canada, and that project also consists of big names such as Jamaican, Luton Fire, amongst other artists. Now we're at 24/7 Music Production. You know, I'm there with my brothers, Imar Shepherd, Eyesight. It's a nice team. Can boost to 7 figures as well because it's 2 persons come together as a production team. It can boost to 7 figures, 24/7 Music Production. Hence you have the whole crisis. To date, I have put out music with Anthony B, mainly by myself though. You know, there's a lot of Not Righteous out there on all major platforms. You can go out and find my stuff on all major platforms. We've done many community shows. So we are used to shows, and I must tell you, I love to write, I love to perform. And I was lucky enough on my journey to get the proper advice and proper influence to do reggae music. And from there, reggae music took me on a journey. And the journey was to find myself, and I found Rastafari. And from then, I am now a staunch believer in Rastafari. I believe in truth, I believe in right, I believe in upliftment, I believe in justice, you know, and the list goes on and on. Once it's righteousness, then Not Righteous stand for that. And my music will tell you also, because my music depict righteousness, depict upliftment, and betterment of oneself. I'm on all major platforms. The Not Righteous is spelled KNATCHRYCHUS. You can find me on IG, you can find me on Facebook, Twitter. On YouTube, it's Not Righteous Vivo. And as I mentioned show earlier on, we have under our belt 24/7 Music Production Christmas concert 2 years in a row, and that will be inserted so you can see the type of performances and the energy we emit while we're on stage. But all I can say is I love music, and I would love to come and perform all over the world for my people. I want my fans to remember me in the way I normally carry myself, I normally portray myself, and that's upstanding, and that's being a good citizen overall, you know. I love people, I'm a fun person, and as I said, I love to write, I love to create music, I love to perform music. So it doesn't matter where, and if it's even one person, I'm still going to give it my best, because music is my joy, it's a part of me. So check me out. All the links will be added, and you'll see. And you can make the necessary, what do you call it now, end result, or hypothesis. You know what I mean? But give thanks, and as I said, righteousness, that exalt the nation. I exalt to come to exalt the nation. Manners and respect. Blessed love. You don't know what Not Righteous represent for Richard Brown Films. Yeah, we get it right. I will tell you it's one of the best movie production right now, Western Jamaica. I'm matter of fact in the whole Jamaica. So when we represent, we represent for good production. And as we said before, I'm Not Righteous, and it is spelled KNATCHRYCHUS. I am on all major platforms. But today, we just want to big up the big general we have produced, the good movie them. Only put time with the yard and watch them too, you know. Yeah, and the message them nice and strong. So I want you to continue to support the channel. Continue to support Richard Brown Film. Good movie. Can't miss out. Can of no one fi serious them when we stay down. So them put we thing back and keep it way down. But we understand fully. Stand up for them a bully. We used to them from we a go our playground. Not sure it's just that.
Alright, blessed. It simply means if you're watching me right now, you have watched the entirety of the video. So thank you very much for watching. All right, this movie that you just watched was supposed to be a 52 episode for a TV series in Jamaica for one of our local TV station, but it just never materialized and it never worked out. So instead of just wasting the work that we put in terms of making the video, we just decided to just edit it and post it, give you guys something to watch, because at the end of the day it's content nonetheless, even though me know not watch it and want to see a part 2, but a lot of things have changed in terms of the dynamics of getting back all these persons together just to make another episode. So I don't know if that go possible, but thank you very much for watching, and as always remember to share the video up on your Facebook page, please, because that will help to get more views. Share them up on your Facebook page, tell a friend about the channel, do all of the right things that will help the channel to grow. We are at 135,000 subscribers, and we love all the subscribers them that we get so far, but we want to see if we can reach the 150 before the year end. So you don't know, say 5 more pound that I will take it to the 140, and then 10 more I will take it to 150. So I want to do the right thing, man, make people know about the channel, and thank you to everybody that has lend some form of contribution to what we've been doing, because even though we might not get contribution as often as we hope we would have gotten it, because we have so much overhead costs, sometimes we have so much things that we need to take care of, but you know, we appreciate the 1 and 2 people who reach out and send a little thing now and then. We appreciate it. We thank you guys very much. And to the ones where I make some great contribution, because you don't know, say the laptop I use was donated, and we appreciate that. One of the camera, the drone was all donated, and we appreciate those things. But in order for we grow and reach to the highest potential, there are things that we still need. We need proper lighting. We need proper sound equipment, because you see this is the microphone I use right now, so we still need proper microphone, because I got one around 2 months ago, I think, in a Reggae Sunfest time, but me don't know, they just stop work all of a sudden. So things like those, me have to think about replacing them. So if persons out there see what we are do, like what we are do, and want to see the thing grow, please reach out to me on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, or if you don't use Instagram and you use regular messaging on email me, man, richardbrownfilms@gmail.com, and let me know, say, yo, you want to contribute to what we are do, whether it be cash, whether it be kind, whether it be equipment. We appreciate them. So big up on yourself, continue to show all the support. Thank you to all of the persons them who play a part in helping the channel grow, especially the persons them who acting at the movie them. We appreciate you guys. Thank you very much, and just continue to support as we continue to do what we are do. Big up on yourself. All right.